Classic here. In today's episode, I will show you how to make a tilt shift effect in Photoshop without spending a fortune on tilt shift lenses. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. On this channel, I make videos about photography and videography related topics. So let's open the image we want to edit. Let's start from adding some contrast, personal preference. Then add some vibrance and saturation. Also personal preference for amount. World of Miniature Toys is usually more colorful. Let's make a copy of our image and crop it. We should have had done that at the beginning, but it don't matter as much. I want to keep my ratio of 2:3 to be able to simply print it on a regular size photo print. I will crop it to have those cars more in the lower center and press enter when done. Now finally, for the tilt shift effect, you should find it in Filter, Blur Gallery, Tilt Shift. Now move it around to get the look you want and set the blur to the amount you like and click OK. After it processes the image, it is basically done. You can always fine-tune the photo to your liking. Now you are ready to export the photo. Just go to File, Export As, and you can export it as a JPG file with 100% quality and share it with your family and friends. Hope you liked this tutorial. Smash the thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and press the bell button to get notified when a new video comes out. Take care, my friends.